Merry Christmas, Happy New Year 2026 and moving forward. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED MSED, speaking to you over the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am, university professor, journalism teacher, and school paper advisor, outstanding teacher, if I could mention, if you would please, author, writer of 22 books, yes, 22. And the book in front of you is my 22nd book, I Am God, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And all my 22 books you'll find worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you globally. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, and the other one is juanitagutierrez.com. I welcome you all to my two websites as well. And I would like to thank, first of all, my I Am God presence within my heart beats, the Creator, in you and to all of us. And to my beloved parents, to all my brothers and sisters, and their own families, as I am the only single in the family, that's why I'm able to write 22 books. And to all of you, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And for those of you who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe so that you will be updated with all my videos. Welcome once again to our daily decree, to our I Am Creator, God, Source, Universe, however you call it, right within our heartbeats. As children of one God, we are all brothers and sisters. We are all gods and goddesses, according to Ascended Master Germain. And so as gods and goddesses, we decree. And let us put ourselves in the presence of the I Am, and we are going to begin. And this is to annihilate colors. Mighty I Am presence, great host of ascended masters, mighty Elohim of creation, annihilate, remove, delete the use of all colors of black, destructive shades of red, and dull, impure colors everywhere, within and around humanity, the earth, and its atmosphere. Instantly replace these destructive rates of vibration forever by the pure, true, perfect colors of the ascended master's octave of life, and reveal to mankind the mighty perfection, which is the divine beauty and plan of life. And so it is done. Beloved I am, beloved I am, beloved I am. And so it is. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Enjoy the holidays according to the angelic realms. Every day is a holy day. That is so true, because the Creator is within our heartbeats. We are indeed gods and goddesses. Thank you all once again, and see you soon. And blessings of Christ, love and light to us all. The word Christ means unconditional love. When we love and respect ourselves and others, our fellow divine beings, we are all Christ. By the way, this is not about religion, but consciousness that we are all one unity consciousness, children of one God, greater source. We are all brothers and sisters indeed. Enjoy. Have a nice day always.